Can everybody say Chippewa? Chippewa. This is that beautiful Chippewa Square that was featured in that Forrest Gump movie. That's why I love to call it the Forrest Gump Square. The Forrest Gump steeple belongs just to the left side of us here, y'all. I want to show it to you. Right there on the left side of us here, right beyond that Spanish moss, is the Independent Presbyterian Church where that Forrest Gump steeple belongs to. The statue there in the middle is our founder, General Overlord. But many say he looks like Captain Morgan. What y'all think, y'all? Walnut Street, we're currently scrolling through. Here on the left side of us there, that peach awning is the location of our local peach cobbler factory, where they have a reputation for serving a warm peach cobbler with a side of ice cream in there. Located nearby, so stop 9 is going to be the easiest, the closest trolley stop there to get there. Okay, it's about a name of Alita Harbor actually purchased this entire property, brick, wall, and all, for an incredible deal of only $9,000.
That's a lot of money back then.
This brick wall here on the left side of us here is made up of a rare type of brick that's no longer made today, which is called the Savannah gray brick. And the material used to make that brick came from the Savannah River. Whenever it was being dredged, is how they made that Savannah gray brick. Now, we can find that Savannah gray brick. It's also credited to be the author of the Bill of Rights, President James Madison. The beautiful Sorrel Wheat House here on the right side of us here, y'all. It's the very first historical home built on this entire square. This square used to be known as the Green back in the day before it got its title as Madison Square in honor of President James Madison. The Sorrel Wheat House dates back to 1839. That's how old the building is. Now here on the right side of us here, y'all, this is the Green Meldrum home, dates back to the year of 1853, built for a wealthy cotton broker by the name of Charles Crane. Cost him $93,000 to have this property built here on the right side of us here in the mid-1800s. Also became the headquarters for General Sherman whenever General Sherman spent his time here in Savannah, Georgia, also where he was residing whenever he written his infamous letter gifting President Lincoln a couple of Christmas gifts.